Okay, this is week 7, extra credit. All right, the one problem on Monday, first problem you have to do is a basic interest problem. Okay, it's a $7,000 loan. The interest rate is 2.5%, so I made it a decimal, and the time is 2 years. Okay, so this is the principal, this is the rate, and this is the time. You multiply all three together and you get how much interest. Interest is the amount that you, extra money that you pay back for a loan. So that should help you do that one. Okay, you got another one where you're given the perimeter of 24 of a square. So if the perimeter is 24, the perimeter is distance all the way around, that means that each side of the square is 6. Okay, so now you got to find the area. So you just put your 6 in for your length, put your 6 in for your width, and you got it. Okay, here is another situation. This problem is 81% graduate out of 2,732 students. How many students graduate? Well, you take 81% and you write it as a decimal. And now you carry out your multiplication and you'll have how many students will graduate. Okay, here is Tuesday. You have a table to fill in. You need to look for an operation this way. One operation. In other words, an addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. There's one operation that will go from this number to this number, and it will work. You know, then you can plug it, and you can put your 2 numbers in here to fill in. But you're only looking for one single operation. In other words, you don't have to add a certain number and then divide by 2, or, you know, that's 2 operations. One operation will get you there. All right, another one is $58 for 12 cases. How much for 1 case? So 58 divided by 12 will give you the price per case. We put money on top, price first, per case. All right, you got another area of a, I think it's a parallelogram or no, it's a triangle, sorry. Area of a triangle. So base times height divided by 2. Okay, so you got to plug in your numbers, and pretty self-explanatory. The base and the height are given, so put them in here and divide by 2. Okay, this is probably the most time-consuming one of the bunch. It's 2 dice, and a dice has 6 numbers on it. So you're rolling 2 dice. I made a partial chart here. Okay, so here's the first dice, here's the second dice, numbers 1 through 6. The sum is going to be 7. Okay, what is the probability when you roll the 2 dice that when you add up the 2 dice together, you get a sum of 7? Okay, so for example, this has a sum of 2, a 1 and a 1. This has a sum of 3. Okay, so to get a sum of a 7, this would be 1 right here, right? Okay, and 2 and 5 would give you a sum of 7 here. Well, you can fill in the rest of this chart. 36, there's going to be 36 possibilities. Okay, and you're going to get how many add up to 7 goes right here, and then put it in lowest terms, and you'll have your answer. Okay, this one here is just the order of operations. Okay, you got to do this first. Okay, 5 times 5, not 5 times 2. 5 squared is 5 times 5, which is 25. And then finish it off from there. You got to find the median. The median is the middle number, but you got to remember to order the numbers from least to greatest. And they're already ordered for you, but you got to pick out the middle number. That's the median. Okay, here for Thursday now, the transitive property. We've never covered that in here. Okay, so the transitive property is if A equals B and B equals C, then A also equals C. Okay, that's, and it's there. Just pick it out, that's the one. That's the transitive property. Okay, here is one that they try to fool you on a little bit. It says Sean and 2 friends are driving to Detroit. and they wanna split the driving time up equally. Well, there's 3 of them, Sean plus the 2 friends. So you gotta divide 3 into 267. All right, a parallelogram, you gotta find, you gotta know the formula of a parallelogram. A parallelogram is area equals base times height. Okay, you're given the area and you're given, I think, the base, you gotta find the height. So you should be able to solve that. We've done those problems before, you've done them in some of the previous extra credit assignments. You also gotta find the range. The range equals the largest data item minus the smallest data item. So just take your largest number that's in the data and take your smallest number and subtract, and you'll have the range. That should do it. Good luck.